Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare these amazing festivals. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I will go in with my regular count of flour, and then I'm gonna go in with my refined cornmeal. I will also go ahead and add some of my brown sugar, and please note that if you don't have brown sugar, you can always go ahead and use granulated sugar. Then I will go in and start adding my baking powder and also my salt. Combine all of that goodness together because you always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined and evenly distributed. Once that is nicely combined, I will start by adding my water, and please note that I'm using ice cold water to make up the dough today. Once the dough comes together nicely, I will just go ahead and put it to the side for roughly about 15 or so minutes. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local corner shop, and of course, you'll get most of these items there as well. You can always go ahead and have these amazing festivals with some fried fish. You can have it with some chicken. You can have it with some chicken neck. I have amazing video on my channel for jerk chicken and jerk chicken neck and also jerk chicken back. You can always go ahead and check that out, and you can always go ahead and have your festivals by itself if that's what you want. It's all up to you. Like I said, you just have to be creative. No need to worry if your dough is a little bit soft, it's even better. So now my dough comes together nicely. I will just cover it and put it to the side like I said for 15 minutes. We're going to allow it to rest. Also, you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today, and you can always go ahead and just adjust just in case you want to add something additional. So this is my dough. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of flour to get rid of some of that stickiness. And then we're going to go ahead and pull our dough apart. Of course, you don't want your festivals to be too big. You want them to be small and nice, all right? So that's exactly what we're going to do. And you want to ensure that you pull the dough evenly apart. I also went ahead and put on my Dutch pot, added my vegetable oil, and I'm going to allow that to heat up until I'm finished with my dough. So of course we get rid of some of that stickiness. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to pull it apart like I said evenly, and then we're going to shape them out in the desired shape that we want them to be. So you guys can always go ahead and follow along. Like I said, the recipe, the ingredients, will be in my description box. You can always go ahead and check that out and let me know what you think, all right? So of course, we're going to roll our dough, and of course, we're going to stretch it and just use our thumb to just press in the middle so that it's flat, and then we're going to put it on a plate, a dry plate, over on the side until we're ready to place it in the hot oil. So you can always use your thumb, or you can always go ahead and use the side of your hand, whichever one works perfectly fine. And some persons like to make their festival dough in a different shape, and they like big festivals. Like I said, it's up to you what you want to do, whichever method works best for you. So once we're finished, we're going to go over to the side and we're going to start frying these amazing festivals. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start adding our festivals. to the hot oil. And of course you have to make sure that you take your time, because you don't want that oil to splash up and burn you. And of course you want them to be golden brown and nice. And oops, it just burned me. But that is okay, it's just minor. Once you're in the kitchen, you're gonna get a little bit of burn, but that is okay. So of course I turned my stove on medium heat. We don't want to turn it up too high, because we don't want it to start frying on the outside and then the inside is not fried properly. So once it starts to change color, we're going to go ahead and just flip it over on the other side and allow the other side to fry nicely as well. So now we're going to flip over our festivals, and of course you see they're coming along quite fine, and we want them to be golden brown like I said. So once they're golden brown, nicely fried, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. And we're also going to fry the rest of the festivals. All right, so now that my festival they're all fried and looking all lovely and nice, we're going to take them up, of course, and place them in this plate that is lined with paper towel. Of course we want the excess oil to drain. So once we're finished, we're going to go ahead and serve them up, and of course we're going to bite into one of them and show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned for all of that goodness. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing festivals. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about it. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 9K subscribers, then 10K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.